Procurement is no longer defined solely by endless spreadsheets, tedious negotiations, and mundane tasks. Instead, artificial intelligence is injecting a new energy, transforming how procurement specialists operate every day. Imagine replacing manual data entry and guesswork with data-driven insights that empower you to make strategic moves with confidence. This shift not only streamlines your work, but also creates space for creativity and innovation, a space where you become the go-to expert in your field. Our AI for Procurement Specialist video course is designed specifically for professionals like you. It delivers clear, actionable lessons that break down complex AI concepts into practical applications tailored to procurement. As you progress through the course, you'll discover methods to automate routine tasks, leverage generative AI for productivity, and apply specialized prompts to enhance everything from supplier evaluations to spend management. For those who prefer a deeper dive, we offer an extensive library of guides, eBooks, and even audiobooks so you can learn anytime, anywhere. Embracing AI means future-proofing your skills. It positions you to not only save valuable time and energy, but also to secure your role in an ever-evolving industry. With improved efficiency and smarter decision-making, the benefits extend to maximizing income and shielding your job from the uncertainties of automation. Most of our courses come with certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. Ready to evolve your procurement career? Explore all our AI for Procurement Specialists training courses on CompleteAItraining.com and take control of tomorrow.